Hold on, hold on.
It's a little too late. Can you hold the brakes? There's gonna be 2 bumps, okay?
Okay.
1.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Shift to
can you hold the
neutral, right?
brakes? Keep
Hold your
holding the
brakes.
brakes.
Okay.
Slight push back. Or like a slight push forward. Slowly. There we go.
Okay.
Yep. No brakes. Hands on steering and wipe yourself.
Okay. Thanks for checking. Here we go.
Ilona, ready sa car wash?
Ilona.
Ready ka na sa car wash, Ilona? Oh, tubig! Water! Spray ng water! Okay. It's okay. Spray lang yan. Spray ng water. Ayan na yung soap. Sabon. Oh, brush oh. Kita mo yung brush? Look oh, brush. Wow! Wow! Brush oh. Wow! Hold mama lang. Hold mama lang, ha? Hold lang mama. It's okay. Oh, taga mo. Ayan na ulit yung brush oh. Hi, brush! Brush! Oh, another one. Taga mo. Isa pa. Brush! Oh, daming brush! Oh, brush ulit. Wow! Brush! Oh, another one, oh. Meron pa, oh. Brush! Wow, daming brush! Oh, water! Spray ng water! Wow! Good job, Ilona! Good job! Oh, water! Nagbabanlaw na ng tubig! Nagbanlaw! Banlaw ng water! Oh. All done! Tapos na!